Okay, so I built this in 1 hour. Well, maybe an hour and 20 minutes. And it was just a quick thing that came to my mind. I was actually just sitting here and I saw this piece of drywall laying against the wall there. And I'm like, I wonder if I could make a table out of that. So this is like a project table for my parents, for my dad when he wants to do painting, or my mom, or any art project. It's like a drafting table. It's like a big giant project table. So it was really cool to be able to use the drywall. I only paid for the lumber. It was about $40 worth of lumber. I'm in Canada. It's expensive. So anyways, I had fun doing this. It was like an hour and 20 minutes altogether. And you know what? It's pretty strong. I still have to add a couple more supports at the back, but it came out pretty good. So thank you for watching me build this. Have a great day.